In this video I have two unboxings for you. The first one is from Satir. The second one isn't here yet. So you're going to see a second part of the video where I'm in a different outfit. The first item from Satir is a small handbag. I have several of these in my collection already, but I didn't have this pattern and I kept seeing it in stores and I kept being drawn to it. But then I would question, is that pattern really for me? And I finally decided, yes it is. So I picked it up. The second item will be something related, something in somewhat of the same color scheme. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Let's jump right into this first unboxing, shall we? I'm excited to see this one in person. Like I said, I've seen the pattern in person before, and I kept being drawn to it, but I haven't seen exactly this bag in this pattern, and I think I'm really gonna love it. All right, here we are so far. There's no receipt as far as I can tell. Everything is wrapped up brand new. There does not appear to be a way into this bag besides cutting the plastic. There's no little sticky flap. All right, we're gonna do this. Here it comes. It's quite bold. Oh, there it is. You get the paper off the front here, and I'll keep the plastic on until I inspect the bag, make sure it's all good. It is the Longchamp Le Pliage in the extra small size, and this is the LGP print, which of course stands for Longchamp. This print comes in 3 different colors that I'm aware of. The black background with the white letters, black with red letters, or black with blue letters. This is the most contrasty, and this black and white one has these neon yellow, like highlighter yellow accents. And this is interesting because this ear, these are called ears, this one is black and this one is yellow, and then the zipper pull, which is 2 pieces of leather, that's yellow. Why are the ears different colors? That's unusual. Doesn't bother me, but I didn't realize that. This bag is in the traditional nylon that Longchamp uses on their Le Pliage bags. It has a black leather trim, silver button. The zipper is black plastic, silver grommets on the ears. Zipper pull is black metal. There's the bottom of the bag. On the interior, we have a strap. We'll look at that in just a minute. The interior is white and it has 2 pockets. There's the small one on the front and that larger one on the back. And both are slip pockets. There are no zippers inside. Now I have lots of videos on these Le Pliage extra small bags because I have quite a few of them now. Let's check out the strap. It's a long crossbody strap in black leather. My one complaint about these bags is with the nylon ones, the leather straps are really kind of sharp around the edges. I do like on the nylon ones that the strap clips to the ears of the bag like that, because on the leather ones it clips to the insides, diagonal insides of the handle. There's the bag. And everything looks good, so I'm going to cut the plastic off. And there we have it. That is a lovely little bag. Let me give you a mod shot of this. Now it is pretty bold and graphic, and I know a lot of people will not like that about this bag. But a lot of people will, and that's what made me hesitate, was this really graphic print, because I don't have anything like that in my collection. So I wondered, you know, how much will I really wear it? How well will it go with my wardrobe? And I have a lot of solid colored tops, and I have a lot of black tops and white tops, so it would certainly go with any of those. And I think it's okay to have some bags that don't go with everything in your wardrobe. Some really colorful bags aren't going to go with everything, but I just kept being drawn to this. The place I saw it, and I hadn't seen the extra small size in it, but I kept seeing duffel bags and backpacks at TJ Maxx in this print. I think it's fabulous. I'm very happy. Now we're going to cut to the future, where I unbox another item that is related to this one. Alright, I'm back with unboxing number 2 here, which is actually going to be a reveal because I've already opened it and looked at it, because some things came up and I knew I wasn't going to be able to film it right when I got it, and I wanted to open it and see how it was. So this is it. It's from the Real Real. Came in a dust bag, and I have since taken it out and made it pretty, because it was not pretty. It, what's it called, unfolded and just kind of flopping about and wrinkly and smushed up. So here's the bag. Look at that color, oh my gosh. It is a Longchamp, it's probably all washed out. It's a Longchamp duffel bag in this highlighter yellow color. Not sure of the official name of that, but I'm gonna open it up so you can see the whole thing and see how big it is. I'm also gonna compare this to my larger duffel bag in the cactus green that I have, because two reasons. I want you to see the size difference because they're different sizes, but also I'm having a little bit of concern, like right away when I opened it, about the authenticity of this bag. There are a couple things that seem off to me. So here is the bag, and of course it unfolds so it's going to be that wide. This is the large duffel bag or travel bag size. My cactus color one here, and these are both the Club Series bags. The cactus one is the extra large size, and I have used this for travel quite a bit. This one you can see is larger. Hold those up together so you can see exactly how much bigger they are. So it's just a few inches, but it really makes quite a difference. Height of the bags is the same, but the extra large obviously is a little bit longer. So here's where I'm a little concerned about the authenticity. The first thing I noticed was the yellow bag feels thinner than the green bag. The nylon on the green bag is coated on the inside and it feels pretty sturdy. I haven't been worried about that getting messed up. This is noticeably thinner. Now I will say on some of the older Le Pliage totes that I have, the material is thinner. They've thickened it up. I would say it could be an older bag, but it's got plastic on it, which tells me it's a new bag, and it's a club version, which is a series that's not that old. One of the reasons that I picked this and picked this color, I thought it might be good to have the duffel bag in the smaller size as well, or just to have a second duffel bag, because I use this for travel all the time when we do road trips or weekend getaways, and for the most part it's served me really well, but sometimes I wish I had a little extra space. I do have the matching large tote for this, and I use that for my computer, my technology, and that works well, but still sometimes I wish I had a little extra space, so I thought another duffel bag would be good. These do not have shoulder straps, by the way, they're just handheld. I also thought these two colors might work well together if I'm carrying it all together. I also thought that I might have occasion to wear this bag with this bag, and of course it has the little yellow tab and the yellow zipper pull that match this perfectly, so that could be a great little combination. That's why I went with this color, which is a color I would not normally go for. Another thing that's thrown me off a little bit about this is the Longchamp bags are usually pretty impeccable in my experience. I feel like, I don't know how well you can see this in the video, but I feel like the top of the bag, the zipper kind of curves down on both ends. Does it do that on this one? I guess it does a little bit, so maybe that's just in my head. Okay, I'm starting to feel better about this, because some of the things that I'm seeing that I thought were weird are on my other bag too. This zipper pull, which is the usual zipper pull that's on the Le Pliage bags, it looked bigger than usual to me, and I think it is bigger than the tote bag. So I'm just comparing it now to my other duffel, and they're the same size. So, okay, maybe we're good. Another thing that I know, because there are a lot of fake Le Pliage bags, like especially on eBay, the resellers, like the Real Fashion File, these guys, they claim to have expert authenticators, but what does that really mean? Nobody can be an expert on every bag that exists, right? And every version of every bag, so you have to take that with a grain of salt. They get things wrong sometimes. Another thing that I have known when I've seen authentication videos about Longchamp bags is to look at the stamp, which you probably can't see very well there, but the stamp of the horse and the rider, that the edges should be clean and sharp. And they are in my green bag. They're less so on the yellow bag. A minute ago, I compared the grain on the two leathers, and it does look the same. The thickness of them is the same. They feel the same. So, okay, let's go with this being authentic. That's the conclusion I'm going to go to. So I'm gonna let you go. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.